Urpita. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing our Halong Bay cruise experience with you all. In this video, I will take you through our journey from Hanoi to Halong Bay and all the fun activities we did in between. We started our trip from Hanoi in a luxurious limousine which took us to the jetty. It took around 3 hours to reach the jetty. From the jetty, we boarded a small boat that took us to our cruise. After arriving at our cruise, we were welcomed by the friendly staff and served a delicious lunch on board. We were able to enjoy the beautiful scenery around us while we having our lunch. After lunch, we checked into our room, which was comfortable and had all the necessary amenities. Then we got ready for an exciting and memorable bamboo boat experience. We glided along the water of the bamboo boat, which was a traditional mode of transportation used by fishermen in the past. The ride was smooth and comfortable, and we felt like we were part of the stunning scenery. As we moved along, we saw the incredible natural formations of Halong Bay, such as towering limestone cliffs, hidden coves, and beautiful caves. Don't forget to preserve those moments. Once we got back to the cruise, we enjoyed the surrounding of Halong Bay, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Vietnam, famous for its stunning natural beauty, limestone islands, and emerald water. We captured some beautiful videos. Then some of us relaxed and enjoyed the stunning views while soaking in the jacuzzi, and some went for swimming in the sea. Later in the evening, we got ready for the night party and cooking class, followed by a delicious dinner. After dinner, we did some fishing in the sea, which was an unique experience. The next day, we woke up to a beautiful view of Halong Bay from our cruise balcony. We then participated in a Tai Chi sessions and took some stunning videos before having a light breakfast. We then went for kayaking and explored the breathtaking surroundings. After kayaking, we came back to the cruise to relax and check out. We had lunch before the small boat took us to the jetty again. And the limousine car dropped us back at Hanoi. Overall, my Halong Bay cruise trip was an unforgettable experience. The natural beauty of the bay, the delicious food, and the friendly staff all contributed to making this an amazing adventure. We hope you enjoyed the video and consider taking a trip to Halong Bay in the future.